Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss how metals react with an acid. How metals react with an acid. Last class I given how metals react with oxygen, react with water, and what are the physical properties and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So I given reactivity series. In reactivity series, top to bottom, reactivity and electropositivity and reducing property decreases in reactivity series. That is very important reactivity series. Without reactivity series, we won't write any chemical reaction. If you know very well reactivity series, so we able to write a chemical reaction. Because which is high reactivity, which is low reactivity. A high reactivity which displays low reactivity elements, metal, but a low reactivity metal which never displays high reactivity metal. So here also how metals react with an acid. Metals means I given copper, aluminum, zinc, lithium, sodium, potassium, silver. These are all are metals only. Metals react with an acid which gives metal acids. Metal acid plus hydrogen gas is evolved. This is the principle for the how metals reacts with an acid. Please, I given general principle. This is a general principle. So I want to write one equation. Zinc react with an acid HCl, which gives zinc chloride is the metal acid. ZnCl2 plus H2 gas is evolved. Please be careful. Here two chlorines are there, here one chlorine is there. I want to multiply with the 2. Now balanced equation. This metal acid is known as zinc chloride. Zinc chloride. For example, sodium is a metal which react with an acid. Metals react with an acid which gives metal acid. So now which gives sodium chloride plus H2 gas is evolved. So here how many NaCl, here 2 hydrogens are there, here 1 hydrogen I want to multiply with the 2. 2 chlorines means here 2 NaCl, 2 sodium. So for example, potassium react with an acid which gives potassium chloride plus hydrogen gas is evolved. So all are same reactions only. Here 2KCl, here 2K. Means metals react with an acid which gives metal acid and hydrogen gas is evolved. Is a metal react with an acid which gives no reaction. This is important. This is exception case. No reaction. Why copper which won't react with an acid? Means go from our reactivity series potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, or Ag silver, copper, silver, platinum, here copper, mercury, aurum, platinum, here silver, then aurum. Now this is the reactivity series. Because in reactivity series, copper now in this position. Because top to bottom reactivity decreasing, top to bottom. Reactivity decreasing means copper in this place. Where is hydrogen? Hydrogen which is in upside compared to copper. Means copper is a low reactivity than hydrogen. which never displace this hydrogen, so due to reactivity series only. So that's why which is in no reaction with an acid. But metals react with an acid which gives hydrogen and metal acids, but copper so which won't react with an acid, HCl acid, but sometimes copper react with a concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, which gives CuSO4, copper sulfate, and SO2 plus H2O, SO2 plus H2O, only in the presence of H2SO4 only, H2SO4 only, copper react with the concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, which gives an acid. SO4 only copper is reacting, copper is reacting. Here if you take 2 moles of H2SO4 means 2 to the 4 hydrogens, here also 2 is required. Here 2 sulfurs, here 2 sulfur. Then how many oxygens? 4 2 to the 4, 8, 10 oxygens. Just take 1 SO2. Balanced equation. So remember, take here 2, here 2 H2O. Balanced. Metals reacts with only few acids, but not all acids. Especially copper reacts with only concentrated H2SO4 but not HCl. And also here reaction with HNO3, reaction with HNO3, nitric acid, nitric acid. So this is exception case and very important reaction how metals react with HNO3, because all metals react with acid which gives metal acid but H2O, but in reaction with HNO3 which gives only NO, N2O and NO2 gases, NO2 gases but not H2, but not H2. NO means nitric oxide, N2O means nitrous oxide, NO2 means nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide and also known as laughing gas, nitrous oxide and also known as laughing gas. Those persons who inhale this NO2, N2O continuously, they are biggerly laughing. This is very important. What is the chemical formula for laughing gas? N2O is the chemical formula for laughing gas. Here, how metals react with HNO3? When metals react with HNO3, they give NO, N2O, NO2, but not H2, but not H2. For example, copper react with HNO3, which gives copper nitrate plus NO plus H2O gases, H2O water molecule. So for example, this is dilute HNO3. For example, if it is react with concentrated HNO3, copper react with concentrated HNO3, same which gives CuNO3 taken twice plus NO2 plus H2O. Here NO is giving, here NO2 is giving. When zinc react with dilute HNO3, which gives zinc nitrate ZnO3 taken twice plus N2O plus H2O. Okay, we have to balance this reaction. Here take 3 moles of, here 8 moles. 3 coppers means write 3. Here 8 hydrogens means write 4. 8 nitrogen means okay. So remaining all are balanced. Now here take 4 HNO3. 4 hydrogens means 2 H2O. Okay. Now balanced equation. 4 nitrogens means here already 2. Here 2 NO2. Take here 4 zinc, 10 HNO3. 4 zinc means here write 4. 10 hydrogens means here 5 H2O. Okay. 30 nearly. No. 10 nitrogen. 10 nitrogens means already 8 plus 2. 10 nitrogens. This is a balanced equation. Just remember only. Very simple. When metals react with acid, which gives metal acid plus H2. But when metal react with a concentrated HNO3 or dilute HNO3, which gives NO, N2O, NO2 rather than H2 gas. Please remember it. When copper react with dilute HNO3 which gives NO, when copper react with concentrated HNO3 which gives NO2, nitrogen dioxide, when zinc react with HNO3 which gives nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. Laughing. Aqua regia. This is also very important for competitive exam purpose. Remember this ratio is very important. I want to give trick. Follow this trick how to remember this aqua regia ratio. Aqua regia means and also known as royal water. Royal water. Concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 mixture is known as HNO3 mixture in 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio mixture is known as aqua regia. Because HNO3 3 is there, the ratio is 1. Remember like that. Please, very important. Sometimes they give 1:3, 3:1, 1:4, 4:1. Just remember, in HNO3 O is 3, but in the ratio is 1. Remember that. HCl 1 is there, the ratio is 3. H1Cl 1 here. HNO3 3 is there, the ratio is automatically HCl is 3 ratio. 3 ratio of HCl, 1 ratio of HNO3 mixture is known as aqua regia and also known as royal water. And also aqua regia is highly corrosive nature. So that's why most of the silver and aurum gold and platinum metals which are dissolved in aqua regia only. Most of the golds and metals like aurum and silver, platinum which are dissolved in aqua regia. Aqua regia mixture is 3:1 ratio of HCl and HNO3 mixture is known as aqua regia. Where metals dissolved in metal salts, metal salt solution, metals dissolved in metal salt solution. For example, zinc treated with copper sulfate which gives zinc sulfate plus copper. This reaction is also known as displacement reaction. Displacement means we have types of reaction: combination reaction, chemical combination, chemical displacement, chemical double displacement, like that. So one is displaced by zinc, copper is displaced by zinc only here. So is it possible? Whether it is possible or not means just check reactivity series. Copper is now in here. Where is zinc? Here. Means top to bottom reactivity decreases. So zinc reactivity is greater than that of copper. Zinc reactivity is greater than that of copper means which ready to displace this copper. Then only which gives this solution. For example, copper plus zinc sulfate gives rise to no reaction. Please, no reaction. Why no reaction? Because copper in reactivity series in bottom. So in zinc is reactivity means upside. Means zinc reactivity is greater than that of copper. Copper which won't displace zinc. Why? Means in reactivity series its reactivity is very less. Just see here only. Here copper is there, here zinc is there. Which can't displace zinc only. Because its reactivity is very less according to reactivity series. So that's why there is no reaction. The reaction is not possible for this type of reaction. For example, AgNO3. AgNO3 react with AgNO3, react with copper, which gives CuNO3 taken twice plus Ag. Because in Ag, now here copper here, so copper reactivity is greater than that of silver. Copper is which can displace Ag, then reaction is possible, copper nitrate. So these conditions are important. Please remember these two reactions, whether it is possible or not, how to write the reaction. Now this is the displacement reaction. In displacement reactions, these all reactions which follows reactivity series. Remember reactivity series order. Last video I given clear explanation, separate video for only for metals reacts with H2S. How metals react with H2S? H2S is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide which is in rotten egg smell. Rotten egg smell, hydrogen sulfide. Rotten egg smell, remember it. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas. So when copper react with H2S, silver react with H2S, and zinc also react with H2S. So zinc react with H2S, here all are reacting with, these three are reacting with H2S. So which gives copper sulfide plus H2 gas is evolved. This copper sulfide. Now this is also silver sulfide plus H2 gas is evolved. This is zinc sulfide plus H2 gas is evolved. Now here copper sulfide which is in black color, Now this is only silver sulfide, which is in black, and zinc sulfide which is in white color. Now this is zinc sulfide. So this is about how metals react with an H2S, hydrogen sulfide. So due to presence of formation of their sulfide, their metal sulfide which is in black color, generally silver sulfide and copper sulfide, these are kinase metals. Copper and silver metals are kinase metal, because which are useful in the manufacturing in the kind, to making kinds. So when it is reacted with H2S, the black color coating occurred on the surface of the coins only due to presence of H2S. So this is about how metals react with an acids. Because be careful, all acids reacting with the metals only few acids, so which won't react with the metals. So how that means, only follow reactivity series. So be careful with HNO3 reaction. All metals react with an acid which gives H2S, but in HNO3 which gives NO, N2O, NO2. So this is important. When zinc react with HNO3 which gives nitrous oxide, N2O. So their oxides, nitrogen oxides are giving, and also metals reacting with H2S also, and metals reacting with metal solutions also. Follow reactivity series video, that is very important. Please follow my all videos one by one, metals and non-metals, especially CBSE, NCERT 10th students. Follow these all videos, my metals and non-metals videos. So definitely these videos are useful to you. These videos are benefit, you will get benefit by my video. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.